Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2022 Glossybox unboxing. I have really been loving Glossybox and I've been getting it monthly for the past few months and I think it is so awesome. So it retails for $21 a month. I do of course have my discount code and the link in the description down below, which will get you your first box for only $16. So this is a box that's sent to me for free each month, but this is not a sponsored video. But I love beauty subscription boxes, and this really is a fantastic beauty subscription box. So I'm really excited to show you what I got in the box this month. And it always comes beautifully packaged like this. And this box seems exceptionally stuffed this month. Like it's barely closed. So there's a lot in here. I'm trying to see if there's product information. Usually I get great product information in my glossy boxes, but no product information in my box this month, but that's okay. I can still show you all of the products. So I do know that the theme of the box this month is mindful mornings, which I love that theme. I have definitely become a morning person the older I get. So I love to enjoy my mornings. So I think a mindful morning theme sounds perfect for me. So the first product I pulled out here is this After Spa Black Marble Facial Roller. Wow, I don't know if I've seen black marble rollers. Cool. I actually do not currently use a roller as part of my skincare routine, but I really should. I'm really into my skincare routine, so I'm surprised I don't use this. It's not even a new concept. So now that I have it in my hand, I need to start using it. It allows for enhanced product absorption, and it gives your skin a massage treatment that encourages smooth and radiant skin that is soft to the touch. I am excited to give this a try. The next product I'm pulling out here is from the brand Julep. It's the Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. Gently removes makeup and cleanses skin. So I like the brand Julep. I recognize this brand. I don't actually really use cleansing cloths like this because I use the reusable type of makeup removers, the little rounds or a makeup eraser, something like that. But these sound really nice and cute packaging here. Next, I got, this is fun, a moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. It says 2 socks inside. My feet could definitely use a foot mask. This is actually something I should probably incorporate into my self-care routine a lot more often. So I am really excited to try this out. So it looks like you just put the little socks on your feet, leave it on for 15 minutes, just the same way you would as a face sheet mask. This is so fun. I'm really excited to use that. I also have here, oh my gosh, I do not know what this is. The Invisibobble, the Traceless Bun Tool, no metal. This seriously seems perfect for me, and I have never seen this product before. So it's like for, and I think it comes with 2. If you're doing a spiral bun, it will somehow hold it in place. I'm gonna have to play around with this because I wear my hair in a spiral bun probably at least once or twice a week. And I typically will use like a scrunchie or those like spiral elastics, but this seems different, innovative, and I'm so excited to try it. Should I see if I can figure it out? Maybe I should turn around to show you. So just a quick spiral. This is how I always actually put my hair in a bun. And see, I don't even know. The instructions make it look so simple. You just throw it in. It's definitely sticking out. maybe for doing that with no mirror, it actually does feel pretty secure. And it actually seems like difficult to get out of my hair right now. I don't even know really what I did. But oh, this gets very easily tangled in your hair, so I would say be careful. Yeah, my hair is somehow stuck in the middle. I don't know. These are just kind of tricky, it seems like, upon first impression, but a cool concept. I think I could use a little practice, but I could probably figure it out. Next up, oh, a product from the brand Bloom, which I don't think I am familiar with. The Day Dreamer, your dream cleanser come true. Well, I love the packaging and the branding of this. It says made with all natural ingredients like chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant sea kelp. This gentle cleanser will leave you feeling heavenly. Calming, hydrating, and non-stripping. Well, that does sound nice. This seems like a cool brand. Next, I have a product here from the brand Philip Kingsley. Can't say I know this brand either. And it's the Bond Builder Split End Remedy. Yeah, I need this. You could probably tell as I was trying to put my hair in that bun that my ends need a trim. They are getting trimmed this weekend. So Split End Remedy sounds like exactly what this hair needs at the moment. It doesn't have directions on this little sample size, so I'll have to look it up if it's an in-shower, rinse-out kind of thing or an after-shower type of product. And then the final product in here, which that's a lot of products. That's 4, 5, 6, 7 products, and it only costs $21 or $16 if you use my code to sign up for your first box. But you always get great value in Glossybox. It's at least $70 worth of value, but usually way over that. And it's always a great range of products as well, and all very useful products. And so this last one here is from the brand Codex Beauty Labs. It's a brightening serum. Well, I love a brightening serum. I think this would be an essential part of a morning skincare routine. So perfect product to get with the Mindful Mornings theme. And I don't think I'm familiar with this brand either. So that's really fun that I am trying products from a bunch of brands that I'm not familiar with. So that's one of my favorite parts about beauty subscriptions. However, if you are familiar with these brands or any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them, your tips. So any information you can give me to help me out, I would love to hear it in the comments down below. And I'll do a quick recap because that really was a lot of products. So I got the Julep cleansing cloths, the After Spa facial roller, the Invisibobble Bun Star, the Codex Beauty Labs brightening serum, the Le Mini Macaroon moisturizing foot mask. So excited about that one. The Bloom Daydreamer Cleanser, and the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Split End Remedy. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.